Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today's video, guess what we have here? Another Michael's mystery grab bag or mystery box. I'm super excited because I absolutely love Michael's and I love doing their grab bags and mystery boxes, and I hope you guys like to watch it as well. I went ahead and I grabbed two today, and everything in here should be summer, spring. So I'm super excited to see what we're gonna get, and I wanted to do it with you guys. So let's get started. Grab our scissors, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and check it out. This one was not boxed. It wasn't taped really well because it kind of has a hole here, so you can kind of peek in it. Okay, so we have some wall decor. So that's kind of, I'm not sure if that's my style. And let's see, oh wow, we have another one of these. And guess what we have? Another one. 3 of those. Now this one's super cute. I like this. Isn't that cute? That one's so cute. I can imagine having this like in a little bathroom that connects to go outside for a pool, like a pool bath. That'd be super cute. Or for a kid's bathroom. Oh, this is so cute. I like this. These are little wall decors. This is kind of cool. This is a wall decor, but I think it'd be cute for like a little tag for Christmas on a gift if you wanted. Cute, super cute. So B and D, N N. I could even paint over this and put something else. So that's cute. I like that. And what is that? C? So that one's pretty cool. I could definitely do something with this. I can see a project. And let's see what else. We have these. And I'm not sure what this is. I think, isn't this like if you knit? I think. I'm not really sure. Comment below and let me know what these are. I don't know. I'm assuming it's for knitting. And what is this? Oh, this is cute. Out of office. And this is cute. Look at this. That's cute. That is home and work tabletop decor. Out of office, anywhere but here. That's kind of cute, kinda. But this, I mean, I think I can make it I can make it much cuter doing something else, but I like that. These are $12.99. Would you guys pay $12.99 for this? I definitely would not. Okay, so we have 5 of those. This is so cool. This is work hard. That's cool. I could see this. Work hard. Now I can see maybe giving this to one of my friends who's a teacher, because I think that's cute for a classroom. I don't think I need all of these. Work hard. This is cute. Actually, I could see this, like if you're a teacher, this being like the little bathroom pass, but I don't think they have that. All right. Aw, that's cute. Think big. Now these are normally $14.99. All right, think big. Those are cute. And I love these. I can totally do a project with these. These are so cool. These are wood bead wreaths. Love these. Aw, this I love. Aw. T, cursive T for Tori. So cool. I like that. So you may see that hanging up in my office. That's super cute. That is little pearls, and that's cute. Oh, wow. And a Y. T, all I need is an O and an R. And what's that spell? Tori. All right, so I like that. And another Y and another T. That's so cool. Rebel, cute. I like this. And there's another Rebel and private. These are super cute. These are definitely super cute. I like these, and I could definitely do something with these. I could repaint them and make a project out of this. I paid $10. How do you guys think I did? I think I did pretty good. I like this stuff. Not all of it, but it's stuff that's right up my alley for doing crafts. So let's go ahead and put that back, and we have another box. Okay, so we ready for the next one? This one's not taped, it's just connected. So I know just by peeking in that it's floral. But let's go ahead and open it up. I just hope it's not all floral because I really don't think I need all floral. But I could see from this side that I could see red, white, and blue. So I thought that's cute. There's got to be something for 4th of July. So that's why I got this one. That is cute bow. Now let's just pray it's not all fake flowers. That's pretty. I like that. Super cute, like it. Wow. I hope this is not all. That's cute. Okay, so this is like the jungle. Okay, is this one part of that? Wow, that one's crazy. Let's see. That one's super cute. I like that. These, no, I don't really like these. Not sure, not my thing. Oh, that was pretty. I don't know what to do with this, you guys, because this is not my thing. Now, some of those are really cute. Like, I like the colored ones, like the purple, and this one's kind of different. Wow, no idea. Just no idea. Is that all that's in here? Wow. Well, wow, this just goes on, you guys. And the rest is just loose. So I have no idea what to do with this. I mean, some of them are cute, like, you know, but the greenery stuff, no idea. If you know a project, drop a line, drop a comment, let me know, because I just have no clue. And I have one more box. We actually got 3. So let me do the other one. Last one. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. Let's see if this is worth it. So there's this picture frame. Cool project. I could put something there, or I could put my kids there. Okay, well, I can definitely do something here. At least I'm getting stuff like for a project. I could definitely like Mod Podge, do something. This is not my style, but I could do something, paint it. Would you pay $29.99 for this? That's how much it costs if you were to buy it. Let's see. Whoa. What do you think? And let's see. And the exact same one. This one. There's that one. Okay. That one's okay. Kind of okay. I'm not sure if I like that one either. This one's cute. This is a wall hook. So that one's cute. So I think I like this the best out of everything. I would love to know what you guys think out of this box. Which one do you like best? And so this is box number 3. And then we had box number 2 with all the flowers. And then box number 1. I have to say box number 1 is my favorite. Comment below, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Which one would you like best? If you got it, was it worth 10 bucks each? If you guys don't already subscribe to my channel, I'd love for you guys to hit the subscribe button below and stick around. Bye guys. See you in the next one.